Father Julian C. Rago Memorial National High School itinanghal bilang kampiyon sa Enchanting Balete Drums and Lyre Competition 2025. May detail sa balitang yan, si Andy Narce.
Yes, at yun nga ang una naming tatawagin ay first runner-up. To be clear, first runner-up. Automatically, pag hindi tinawag, you are the champion. Our first runner-up is... Balete Integrated School! Which means, partner, our champion for Day of the Drums 2025 is Father Julian C. Rago Memorial National High School!
Naging makulay, masigla at puno ng enerhiya ang Drum and Lyre Competition sa bayan ng Balete kahapon ng umaga, kung saan ipinamalas ng mga kalahok na paaralan ang kanilang husay sa sayaw, musika at disiplina. Matapos ang mahigpit na tagisan ng galing, itinanghal bilang champion ang Father Julian C. Rago Memorial National High School na hinakot din ang lahat ng special awards kabilang ang Best in Discipline, Best in Music, Best in Band Costume, Best in Majorette Costume at Best in Choreography. Maituturing na makasaysayan ang kanilang panalo ngayong taon dahil ikalawang pwesto lamang sila noong nakaraang taon at 14 na taon na rin ang lumipas bago muling masungkit ng paaralan ang kampyonato. Sunod sa kanila ang Balete Integrated School bilang first runner-up, Jose Borromeo Legazpi Memorial National High School bilang second runner-up, Balete Academy Incorporated bilang third runner-up, Calizon National High School bilang fourth runner-up, Jose Feliciano Meñez Memorial National High School bilang fifth runner-up, at Patrocinio A. La Chica Integrated School bilang 6th runner-up. Ang kompetisyon ay bahagi ng Longman Celebration ng kapistahan ni San Rafael de Arcangel sa bayan ng Balete at nagsilbing simbolo ng pagkakaisa, disiplina at pagkamalikhain ng mga mag-aaral na Baletenon. Andy Narce, Kalibo Cable News.